We're interrupting your regularly scheduled programme to bring you some breaking news.
Welcome to Challenge Gym News. Tonight's top story: man decides to walk across the D-Day beaches in Normandy in June this year. He's doing so to raise money for two fantastic causes: SAFA, the Armed Forces charity, and the Grace Kelly Childhood Cancer Trust. He's hoping to do so with the help of Challenge the Wild. Training has started for him already, so look out for more videos in the build-up to D-Day.
And now back to your regularly scheduled programme.
Good morning from a chilly Broadway in Worcestershire. I'm here today to do a bit of a training walk and to hopefully go up to the Broadway Tower, hoping to bring you some really nice views. Obviously this is all in aid of my charity walk, which is coming up in June. Really looking forward to it still. Been chatting to some of the Challenge the Wild guys and it's sounding better and better every time. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks very much for watching.
I've decided to start the walk from the middle of Broadway, right by the War Memorial.
Like most towns in Worcestershire, Broadway has a rich heritage with the armed forces. Back in 1944, Broadway lost a number of young men to both the battles in D-Day and further battles in World War II.
Casualties of the Second World War in Broadway also included the crew of a Whitley bomber that crashed on the 2nd of June 1943 whilst on operational training. I started my walk up to the tower along Church Road. It was named this for obvious reasons. There was some really beautiful countryside. It's obvious why people come to the Cotswolds. There are also some amazing Cotswold stone cottages and even a thatched one with a fox looking out on the roof.
I've reached St Edeburgh's Church, which is on the way up to Broadway Tower. Just going to have a little look around and see what it's like.
St Edeburgh's Church is the original parish church of Broadway and dates back to the 11th century. I spotted a memorial to Wing Commander Acton Fleming in the graveyard.
Well, I made it to the top. Unfortunately, it's a little bit foggy, but enjoy the view anyway.
Broadway Tower is an iconic landmark at the top of a Cotswolds hill. It was a brainchild of the great 18th century landscape designer Capability Brown. His vision was carried out for George William VI, Earl of Coventry, with the help of renowned architect James Wyatt. It was completed in 1798. It has a dramatic outlook on a pre-medieval trading route and a beacon hill. The tower is set within 200 acres of parkland. The easiest route to the tower from Broadway is via a 1.5 mile track called the Cotswold Way. This is the route I chose on the way back. There were some fantastic views on the way down, and it was an easy route to follow. Once back in Broadway, I had a good walk along the high street.
Made it back down to Broadway from the tower. Really good views despite the fog. Hopefully you enjoyed the pictures and the shots. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
Time for a well-deserved pint. A big thanks to Dan and the Challenge the Wild team for roping me into this challenge. A big thank you to Safa, thank you for being there for all our armed forces. And a massive thank you to the Grace Kelly Childhood Cancer Trust for being there for us. I'll leave a link in the description for my GoFundMe page so you can help me raise money for these wonderful charities. Thank you.